그렇지 여기 나이스! 오 나이스! 이거지?
What's up, guys? Bumji Kim's back. Today I'm gonna go riding with my friends. This is pretty early morning. Never ride in such an early morning because I think in this kind of weather, especially like summer like this, you can't ride in afternoon in the summer because it's super hot. You'll easily get drenched. So yeah. So in order to avoid that severe situation, we are trying to ride in the early morning and then try to get clips as much as possible. The truck was just being behind, waiting for me to go. Yeah. Anyway, I just got my semester done. I'm basically free now. I'm so glad that I can ride every single day now. Yeah, I'm so glad to be back on my bike again. Yeah, let's get this old journey started. Let's go. Just arrived here in the riding spot, which is called Pangyo Sports Center. I don't know what it's exactly called, but yeah, Pangyo Water Restoration Center. I don't know if there is a cool spot because this is my first time being here. I don't know, a bunch of my friends seems like they've been here, so yeah, I'm kind of looking forward to it. Water Restoration Center. I don't know what exactly that is standing for, but I don't know, that's what they're saying, restoration. Probably related to purifying water kind of stuff, I don't know. Bike. I'm waiting for my other riders to come here. I'm the one to first arrive here. I'm waiting for my friends to arrive. They'll be here in any minute. Yeah. What do you guys think about my Hawaiian shirt? This is the one that I bought yesterday. As I really like to wear this casual outfit.
저기 1위부터에서 몸 풀어야 돼요.
저희가 1이야?
네, 1위 잡으면 돼요.
아 1은
그래서 몸 풀어야죠.
자, they said this is just a warm-up spot for them. 이제 여기는 1.2m 월이고요. 이거를 이제 올라가시는 분들이 계십니다. 안녕.
안녕하세요.
우리 최근에 1.2m 올라갔나?
네네.
와,
여의도.
다시 이제 폼을 회복한 재하 씨가 되겠고. 와. bashing that protects the chainring, I cannot maximize my body tap height because it's gonna be risk my whole riding today because I won't be able to ride for the rest of today. So gotta be careful. Gotta refrain myself from doing body taps. Chill some time. It's not 10 a.m. yet. It's still so hot. I already drenched right now. So I'm here to the convenience store to buy some drinks. 그렇지 여기 나이스. 그렇지 여기 나이스. 땡볕에서 사다가 저희는 그늘 찾아 여기로 왔습니다. 여기는 나무들이 우거져 있어서 굉장히 시원한데요. 이제 보시다시피 굉장히 노후한 돌도 있고 굉장히 많습니다. 그늘도 있고 카본 조심 카본. 오 나이스 이거지. 오 나이스 이거지. 진짜 떨어질 것 같아. 오. 나이스. 나이스. 와. 탈진하기 일보 직전까지 탔습니다. 저 말도 안 되는 바위에서 50번 넘게 실패하고 테일립을 하다가 무릎방을 받아가지고 이제 더 이상 안 되겠다 해서 집을 가게 됐습니다. 창고나 실내 기물에서 타야지. 여름에 오후 라이딩은 불가능입니다. Okay, that was a wrap, baby. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.